Tron's Justin Sun buys 14,884 Ethereum or ETH amid market recovery. Justin Sun purchased an additional $36 million worth of Ethereum on Monday, taking his total holdings to 392,000. ETH price recovers past $2,500. Highlights. Justin Sun's total ETH holding stash reaches closer to 400,000 amid recent accumulation. Spot Ethereum ETFs see net inflows on Monday despite the market bloodbath. Crypto market recovery pushes the Ethereum price above $2,500, regaining a $300 billion market cap. Crypto industry veterans are extending full support in this crypto market crash by buying the dips. Tron founder Justin Sun, who's been on an Ethereum accumulation spree since February 2024, purchased an additional 14,884 ETH on Monday. Justin Sun buying Ethereum. Blockchain analytics platform Spot On-Chain reported that Tron founder Justin Sun purchased a staggering $36 million worth of Ethereum from Binance in the past 10 hours. As said, this is part of Sun's longer ETH accumulation strategy over the past few months, thereby taking his total ETH holdings to 392,474. The estimated purchase cost of these holdings is $1.19 billion, with the current market value now under $1 billion amid the Ethereum price correction. As the ETH price tanked under $2,000 on Monday, there were strong rumors that more than $200 million in Justin Sun's leveraged long positions were liquidated. However, Sun was quick to address this matter, stating that the Tron team never indulges in leveraged trades. The ETH price has shown a surge amid the broader crypto market recovery, as the US recession fears abated to a great extent following strong PMI data and improving employment numbers. Currently, the ETH price is trading above $2,500, with its market cap regaining $300 billion. Ether ETFs see net inflows each. This shows that institutional players continue to see long-term opportunities in ETH while seeing the dips as a buying opportunity.